roll up and roll up and toss them in the pan. Patty cake, Baker Smith. Roll up and toss them in the pan. Patty cake, Baker Smith. Roll them and toss them in the pan. Patty cake, Baker Smith. Roll them and toss them in the pan. Yeah. Squeeze my fingers.
Ooh, we got a little spit up.
Let's turn around. Hi. Yeah, he's smiling at Mommy. Oh, there's that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh! What's Daddy doing?
He never walks on the bed. Anything in the name of good pictures.
When she starts doing her thing, I want you to get her whole body.
I got her whole body. Her whole body's so cute, I couldn't miss any part of it.
Let's see if we can sit up. You want to sit up? Oh,
She likes that.
you're such a big girl to sit up like that. Yeah. You're such a big girl. Lay back down. Oh, yeah. You're such a cutie pie. You want to do that again? Oh, such a big girl. Yeah. Sitting up like that. Oh, you're such a cutie. Yeah. Can you kick? Can you kick? Can you kick for Mommy? Let's see you kick. Yeah, kick. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You're talking to me, aren't you? Oh, you're going to suck on your fingers again. Oh, why do you have to suck on your fingers? Peter, come to me. Dad, a wife and pudding keeper. Put her in a pumpkin shell, and then he kept her very well. There we go. You're cute when you do that. Yes, you are. You're cute when you do your windmill act. Oh, yes. Can you talk to me? Can you talk to Mommy? Talk to Mommy. Oh. Let's see you really do it. Come on. You can do it. Oh. Yes. What's that tongue doing? Peter, pumpkin eater had a wife and couldn't keep her. Put her in a pumpkin shell and there he kept her very well. Can you tickle his hair? Can you tickle his hair? There. That's so cute when you do that. Are you ticklish here? Are you ticklish up here? Yeah. How about up here, kid?
Is that a pretty new development?
Yeah. ticklish on your leg? Are you ticklish here? Are you ticklish up here? Yes, you are. Oh, how about down here? Are you ticklish down here on the back of your legs? How about your knees? Ooh, tickle that baby. What's that tongue? Why's that tongue sticking out? Oh, yes, you're talking to me. 1, 2, 3. What's Daddy doing? Is he taking your pictures? Are you ticklish on your feet? This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy ate roast beef. And this little piggy ate none. And this little piggy went wee 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 all the way home. Oh, yeah. Can you talk?
Oh, that'll be interesting. Me in the mirror, taking the picture. There I am.
Well, that's good. Daddy has to get in the pictures too. Yeah. You want to sit up again? Let's sit up. Oh, you're such a big girl. Yeah, you like to do that, don't you? It's okay, baby. Yeah. You want to do it again? Let's sit up. Oh, that big girl sitting up like that. There's Daddy. Oh, lay back down. Yeah, you're strong. You can hold yourself up good. Yeah. Kick those legs. Kick them. Yeah. Kick those legs. Oh, look, it's on. Hi, Allison. Hi, Allison. My name's Goldie Bear. And I love you. You're my best friend. Yeah. Can I give you a kiss? Hi. Can you smile for me, Allison? Can you smile for Mommy? Goldie Bear likes to smile too. Yes. Ooh, jump. Ooh, jump. How come you're not smiling at me, Allison? Maybe you'd smile at my friend Lucky Star. I'll get Lucky Star. Hi, Allison. My name's Lucky Star. Do you like me? I like you. Yeah. I came all the way up from Texas way to see you. Yes, I did. Can I give you a kiss? Yes. You talking to me? Yes, you're talking to me, aren't you? How about a rattle? Do you see that baby in the mirror? Do you see that baby? Yeah. You like to look at this baby, don't you? Yes. Here's your rattle. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? You want to hold it? You want to hold the rattle? Okay. Hold on to it. Whoops, you gotta hang on to it. You gotta hang on to it. See? You want to taste it? See what it tastes like? There, now do you want to hold it? You want to hold it? There.
No, not really.
You like these? You like this toy? Oh, it's pretty, isn't it? Yes, it's pretty. You want to hold this toy? You want to hold this toy? Let me put it in your hand. There. And now you've got a hold of that toy. Yeah. Whoops, we dropped that one too. Don't like that toy either. Don't like our toys very much this morning. Look at this. You like this rattle? You like this rattle?
Not getting much of any responses here.
What?
Not getting too much of any response.
Let's try Goldie Bear again. Look at Goldie Bear. You like Goldie Bear, don't you? Yeah.
Anything yellow.
Look, Goldie Bear.
Let's just get a shot of Goldie Bear. Let's see what Goldie Bear looks like. Yeah.
See, Goldie Bear? You like Goldie Bear. Ooh. Ooh, you like Goldie Bear. Yes, you do.
She can sure follow Goldie Bear around.
You like him, don't you? Yeah. Ooh. And Goldie Bear gave Allison a kiss. Yeah. See? Yeah. Oops. Goldie Bear fell down. Oops. Yep. Oops. Oh, yes. Well, you just tell me all about it. Oh! Your zip tight. Only one sneeze? Only one sneeze? How come you're not smiling at Goldie Bear? How come you're not smiling at me? Oh, kiss. Kiss. What's that tongue? What's that tongue? Let's scoot back a little bit. There, so you have more room to kick your neck. You get such a serious look when you do that. Here's Lucky Star. There's a little smile for Lucky Star. Yeah. You like Lucky Star. Kick those legs. Kick those legs. You can kick those legs, can't you? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Oh, that little tongue sticks out. And we get such a serious look on our face. Yes, we do. A serious look. Are you playing your imitation of a windmill? Yes. That's your little windmill imitation, isn't it? Yeah. The arms go and the legs.
Yeah, it's cute. There's our toy box. All kinds of goodies in there. Oh, well, we're still windmilling over here.
Yes. What is this serious love? Serious business, this windmilling. You want to sit up again? You want to sit up again? Ooh. You like
She likes that.
You always smile at Mommy when
You want to sit up.
Yes.
The big girl.
Yes. You don't like this laying down business. No, it's not as much fun as sitting up. No, it's not. You want to sit up again? You want to sit up? Oh, she hunches her shoulders up. She knows what we're going to do.